Required tools: grease, universal lithium grease, a brush, and a monkey wrench. Apply grease to the two cams in the lower part of the machine, and then turn on the machine to rotate the cam for a certain angle and then apply grease to the cam, so that the cam can be completely greased. Add machine oil to side cams in the lower part of the machine. Fill 3/4 of this box with engine oil to ensure that there is always a part of the cam can be dipped in the machine oil during the operation. Apply grease to the surface of the cam if there is no machine oil available. For the blanking position, use a monkey wrench or open-end wrench to remove the connecting screws and apply grease to two shafts. Take out the shaft sleeve and apply grease to the surface and the inner wall. For the forming position on the other side, also apply grease to 4 bearings in this way. At the reverse side of the machine, apply grease to gears. Apply grease to both of these two shafts. Operate the machine and apply grease to places be blocked by the slider. Apply grease to the big cam below.